Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Apple Watch band. First, find a soft, clean surface, like a microfiber cloth, and place your Apple Watch face down to protect its screen. Next, turn the watch over and locate the two small, oval-shaped band release buttons on the back. These are crucial for a smooth band swap. Press and hold one of these buttons firmly. With the release button pressed, gently slide the band horizontally away from the watch casing. It should detach with minimal effort. Once one side is free, repeat this exact process for the other side of your watch band. Make sure to keep both buttons pressed as you slide. Now you have successfully removed your old band, ready for a fresh look. Now take your new Apple Watch band. Make sure it's oriented correctly. Often, there's a specific top and bottom. Slide the new band into the watch slot until you feel and hear a satisfying click. This click indicates it's securely locked. After inserting, give the band a gentle tug, about 1 or 2 pounds of force, to double-check that it's firmly attached and won't accidentally come loose. Before wearing your watch, perform a final check. Gently tug on both sides of the new band to ensure they are completely secure and won't detach during activity. For optimal performance and safety, always use genuine Apple Watch bands or those certified by Apple. Remember to regularly clean your watch and bands with a soft, damp cloth to maintain their appearance and extend their lifespan. Enjoy your new look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.